Okay, what about this type of a problem where we have to solve for x if you can see that all the terms have the variable x? This is the easiest. F at x is equals to 0. We know that f at x is equals to 0. What is that telling you? You need to take the x to the power of 3 positive 4x squared minus 60x. You need to take that guy equated to 0. So now when all the variable is x, you can take out the common factor, x out as a common factor. So this will be left with x squared plus 4x minus 60. Can you see now what do we have? We have the product. We can use the factor, the zero factor law. We take the x equated to 0, or we can take the x squared plus 4x minus 60 equated to 0. What's next? Can we factorize this? I recommend we use a quadratic equation. Remember, the quadratic equation is in the form x is equals to minus b plus or minus the root of what? B squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. We don't have time to waste on basics. Remember, this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Now you know what is the value of a, what is the value of c. The value of a is what? 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is 4, and the value of c is the constant value. But please make sure that you take it with the sign. Let us do our substitution so that we can solve this problem. So if we substitute, x will be equals to, where there's b, what do we substitute? 4. So this will be 4 plus or minus the root of b, it's 4 squared minus 4 into a, which is 1, and the value of c is minus 60. No time to waste on basics. This will be divided by 2. What is the value of a? 1. So now I think that everyone knows how to substitute this in the calculator. You are in grade 12. When you see this type of question, you've been doing this in grade 11. You just have to punch this exactly the way it is. You start with the positive, then you substitute for negative. Therefore, you're going to get your x as what? Your x or 6, or your x to be minus 10. This is how easy it is if all the factors have a what? If all the factors have a term. And that's how we solve the problem. That's how we solve for x. If you like the video, please make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.